We stopped and had some ice cream, looked at the train a little bit. Now we're gonna get out of cabs. Headed toward Snowshoe Ski Resort on 66 West. This is an epic road. You're definitely gonna want to come ride this one as soon as we get out of town here anyway. Alright, up the mountain we'll go. Waste no time here, if I remember correctly. West Virginia Mountain Road. Take me home to the place that kicks ass. Whiskey, yeah. Curvy roads. Take me home. Burr slow. Burr slow. Burr slow. I hate to do it, but I can't handle this, bro. I can't do this. This is too much. That's much better. Take a breath of fresh air. Yes, this is the road I remember. This is the road I remember. I just missed the gear. That's alright though. Pig rubbing action going on there. Somebody got a little too big for their britches. Get going. What a road this is, though. This is a good one. This is a goodie. There's Snowshoe. Told you we'd be going by it. But we'll also be going by it again. It's like the upper entrance, and we're going to be going down to the lower entrance. My range has dropped from 40 to 24 just in the last 5 miles. Definitely been sucking down the fuel here. Toyota's tried to be all hard there a minute ago using both lanes. Now he's revealed himself to be the Toyota that he really is. Ah, crap. Of course, it's not a good place to pass it now. I don't mean to be rude, but you're in the way. There's another one right in front of this one. I don't know that we're gonna get out of this one, Bill. I really can't see far enough to pass the first one, let alone the second. Plus, this Toyota keeps trying to go fast when it's... That's about the top for the scrambler right there. About 110. About all your handle capping. What a glorious road that is, though. Up and over that mountain. That's a good one, y'all. The only thing holding that back from being just a brutally kick-ass road is it's not long enough. You know, it's about... The good part is, maybe... I'm gonna say 5 to 6 miles. And you get another couple of miles after you go through that little town. But then you're kind of back down in the valleys here. Coming up on the Snowshoe. Yeah, there it is. The lower entrance to Snowshoe. Yeah, alright, so we're coming up to junction 219. 219, 55, 66. In 66. That's a good road. That's a fun road. That's a good ride. So, but 219 south to Marlinton. I got 22 miles of range, but I won't be running it as hard, so the range should sort of balance back out. Plus, I don't have to get all the way to Marlinton. I just got to get the head brake because I know there's a gas station. So I should be good.